Are you wondering if the Sony Full Frame camera with the F3.5-5 F3.5-5.6 OSS kit lens is worth buying? Curious to see how good it is? In this video I will test it out during my vacation in Tenerife, the biggest Canary island. I will show you how it works during the day on different trips and even in darker spots with less light. We will try it out for both videos and photos though, so don't go anywhere. Let's get started. Alright, here we go again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you tuned in. I'm Christian and today I will be demonstrating what you can achieve with the kit lens, which typically costs around 150 to 200 bucks when included in a camera package and up to 500 bucks when you purchase it separately. Spoiler alert, there are a lot of possibilities with it. To showcase its capabilities, I will be exclusively using this lens for the rest of this video. So, farewell Sigma 16-28 f2.8, which I'm currently using at f2.8 and 28mm, so you can compare it directly now, and welcome Sony kit lens, currently also set at 28mm but on f3.5. Normally it should reduce the background blur, what is for sure a downside of starting at f3.5. But yeah, this is one limitation. And as always, a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. I purchased everything you see on my own, including this kit lens, which was included in the package as I bought my Sony A7IV over a year ago. That said, I thought it would be valuable for you to create this video because perhaps you're in a similar situation, debating whether to buy the camera with or without the kit lens, given its age and variable higher apertures. Sure, you could invest directly in a higher quality lens, but stick around till the end of the video. Maybe it will help you decide. Oh, and as you may have already noticed, I'm not in my YouTube studio right now. I'm currently in Tenerife, where I decided testing this little buddy exclusively for you. But before we head out, let's take a quick look at the specs of this kit lens and explore some close-ups shots of it. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate a like and a subscription down below. Thanks a lot in advance. But getting back to the main topic, the Sony FE 28-70mm f3.5-5.6 OSS. This versatile zoom lens designed for Sony Full Frame mirrorless cameras weighs just 295 grams, making it perfect for travel and extended shooting sessions. Covering a focal length range from wide angle to short telephoto, it adapts well to various shooting scenarios with a maximum aperture range of f3.5 to f5.6. While it performs decently for photos, it may present challenges for video applications, but we will dive into that later. However, its built-in optical steady shot image stabilization OSS minimizes camera shake, ensuring sharper images or videos, especially in low light conditions or when combined with the camera's in-body stabilization system, IBIS. With a quiet and responsive autofocus system, it's suitable for both photos and videos applications. No wonder this lens has been a staple choice for beginners, often bundled with Sony's famous A7 line, and I believe with other cameras as well. If you have more insights, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Now that we've covered that, I won't delve deeper into technical details. I believe you're here to see how it looks out there. So let's pack this awesome starter combination to my little camera back here and enjoy some amazing shots of Costa Adeje, a beautiful region in the south of Tenerife, on this sunny day. Enjoy the footage. Alright, I think that worked quite well. By the way, I didn't use an ND filter for those recordings, and I also didn't edit the photos much in post. This is what you can expect from the camera when you use it on a bright day shooting video in aperture priority mode, also known as A on your camera dial. I'm still impressed by how well this lightweight lens performs under good lighting conditions. The photos turned out to be quite satisfactory. Admittedly, it's not the sharpest lens, and you will certainly get better results with more expensive lenses. But hey, we're still talking about the kit lens here. And speaking of videos, I personally don't prefer the over-sharpened look, which may also be an advantage in this case. But I think you can judge it by yourself. Alright, now you're probably curious about how this lens performs in darker scenarios, aren't you? Let's put it to the test. Okay, this is exactly where it reaches its limits, even though the camera supports it with its impressive ISO range. As you can see in this video here, I've already explained why ISO is so important and also tested my Sony A7IV here. The result is I always keep it for videos at a maximum of 12,800, not higher. For my taste, it becomes too grainy. But F3.5 at the wide and 5.6 at the telephoto are not very bright apertures. Also keep that in mind. You may need to adjust everything manually to achieve the best results. That's a fact we can't deny. For those situations, I would definitely switch back to my Sigma f2.8 or even consider a prime lens with an aperture of f1.8 or even f1.4. However, because I really enjoyed using it during the daytime, I will take it with me to another trip, to the awesome Loro Park. Situated in Puerto de la Cruz, Tenerife, Loro Park is a wildlife park and conservation center, home to diverse species including parrots, dolphins, gorilla and tigers. So I would say let's hop on the bus and see which shots I can get this time. Hola. Alright, this is how it looks like when you vlog on this kit lens. And we are still in the Loro park, and I think it's an awesome place, as you can see it here. And yeah, I think 28mm is definitely too close. I prefer my Sigma wide angle at 20mm more. So, camera on, back from Loro Park. Alright, I think this was an impressive trip to an awesome place. And I'm very glad I had the chance to visit it. So I think that's it for today's video. If I forgot something, let me know in the comments and I'm happy to answer your questions as usual. Thanks for joining me on this journey as we explored the capabilities of the Sony FE 28-70mm kit lens. Despite its limitations in low light conditions, it proved to be a versatile option for daytime shooting. Even though I upgraded to better lenses, I would still invest the $150 to $200 again when buying the starter package, especially for beginners who are just starting to experiment with their new camera without spending hundreds or thousands of euros or dollars on additional lenses. When you already got some, I honestly don't think it is necessary to get the body with the kit lens. It is still a great lightweight travel option that covers a wide range of focal length for me though. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content somewhere down there. Also check out other videos from me which appear here somewhere around. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We will enjoy a few more days here on this beautiful island out there, and we will see each other again in the next video in Austria. Take care and happy shooting!